In today's video, I will show you how to automate incident creation in JIRA. I will show you how to implement automation to create a story and subtask. Here I have already opened my JIRA, and here you see I have one project called Software Engineering DevOps. You might have different projects. So let's open this project. Under this menu, we will proceed to project settings. Here we have different things. Again, change management, incident management, lot of other stuff. What we are looking for here is automation. Under automation, you will see all your existing rules. And here we will create one rule that will trigger our monthly automation. So let's click on create rule button here. So once you click on that button, you will see something like this. There will be some recommended option. What happens when your branch is created? What happens when there is a build failed? Different scenarios here. What we are looking for in this menu, we are looking for schedule. Click here. Once you are on this scheduled activity form, we will provide our information. So for example, run this rule every 1 week or month. We are going to run every month on the first day, last day of month, or maybe you want to choose a specific date. In this case, we are going to run our cron first day of month. What time you are going to run, what time zone you are in. Before I click on next, I want to show you something. Go to this advanced tab. If you want to set up cron, like as we do in Linux, you can also put your cron expression here. And if you want to know more about this cron expression, let's open this link, and there's some really handy information here. We are looking for this section here. You can use this information to draft your cron expression, and there are some actually very good example here. Feel free to take a look, but in this case we will use our basic template. So we are going to run our cron every month, first day of the month, 9 a.m. as per European and London time zone. Click next. Now the next thing is we are going to add a component, and then we will add an action. In this add an action event, you will see there are a lot of useful stuff. Restart virtual machine, create Slack channel, create branch in GitHub. So there is a lot of handy stuff, but we are going to create an issue. So click here, and once you are there, you will see create issue form, and we will select our project here, and then issue type. You want to create a change, you want to create incident, problem, maybe an epic. We are going to create one story. What field you want to have in your story? Of course, I want to have some description, assignee. I also want to have some labels, priority. If you have an existing epic link, you can use. So I have selected assignee, description, labels, priority. If you want to add more fields, feel free to explore them. Of course, I will have summary in my ticket. My story is about monthly infrastructure tasks, backups, and OS upgrade. Here I will put some nice description. Then we have this option assignee. In this case, I'm going to assign it to myself. We want to put some labels. Let's say this is production environment, upgrades, and the priorities are highest. Click on next. Once we are done with that story, we are also going to add subtask. We will click add component, and then you will see this option again here. We are going to go with this one. For each, add a branch and branch rule related issue. Once you click on that one, you will see this type of related issues. So current issue, subtask, there are different options. We are going to select here most recently created issue. And then next. So once that is done, we are going to add an action, and our action is to again create an issue in the same project. Issue type will be subtask. Parent issue will remain current issue, which is this one. We are going to put some description, summary. So you put all these detail here, and then next. So we have created our first task. Now we will create another task here. Create issue. And again, we will select our same project. The same process we will follow. Issue type will be subtask, and this will be for OS upgrades. And once that is done, next. And I think now we are all done. We should be all good. So you see the workflow here. We scheduled our activity every first day of month at 9 a.m. We are going to create a story. Then we created a branch under that same story, and for most recently created issue. Under that story, we are going to create a task. This will be for our backup activity, and this will be for our upgrades. And then we are all done, and we will simply turn on this rule. You can name this rule anything. Who can edit this rule? Yeah, I will select all admins and turn on this rule. There is a link to return to rule here, and here you see our rule is added. Now we want to test our rule. We scheduled this rule to run on every first day of month. So to test, either we can wait till that long or we can run this manually for this month on ad hoc basis. There is an option. Simply click here. For this month, I will run this rule manually. Click on run rule. Once you have clicked on run rule, we can also see audit logs. The timestamp 3/7, how long it took, and show more. So you see it has created some tickets, support 2, support 3, support 4. So let's open one of the ticket here, support 2. This is our story. Monthly infrastructure task, backups, OS upgrade. And here you see 2 subtasks here, support 3, support 4. Our rule has run successfully. As you see, this is our story. And then we also have these 2 subtasks. And using same method, we can automate creation of weekly, monthly issues, change request, stories, and epics. And hope you liked this video. If you liked it, feel free to give a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.